Greetings to one and all. This is Asmita Singh Bisen. I'm Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIMT College of Engineering. I welcome you all to the 3-day mega event titled Fun with Science. A very warm welcome to all of you. As per the great saying by Albert Einstein, the whole of science is nothing more than a refinement of everyday thinking. So yes, welcome all the neutrons, protons, and electrons on this, especially designed for school students to let you know that science is no more boring. Science is something which you can explore and dive yourself into the world of dynamism and into the each and every era of science. So students, you all might be wondering that whenever we ask you, do you find science interesting? Most of replies are like, no. So, but actually, since with the establishment of so many technology that is coming out around all the way, we are seeing science in a whole lot different multidimensionality. So yes, here with the motive of presenting to you that science is no more boring, science is all fun. And the best part is that if you have the knowledge, if you have the persistence to learn everything new, if you have that creativity, inventibility in you, you are going to innovate science in your own way, in your own creative, multi-dimensional way. So yes, so I welcome you all to this particular mega event. So before I start off, do comment, do share, and do host watch parties. I think you all might have wondered that what all these 3-day mega events will be covering. So yes, before I start off with all the dimensionality of science, I'm going to let you know that the best comment on our Facebook page, that is, which is coming particularly live here, we are going to put you live on 4th of July. This is the first time that is ever going to happen. We are going to put you live on live show, and that is on 4th July. So you have to stay tuned with us on 2nd, 3rd, and 4th July. So without wasting and pondering over our seconds to nanoseconds, I'm going to start off with my presentation. So yes, we are here with fun with science. Now, you all must be wondering that what is science, isn't it? So, science is nothing but the pursuit and the application of knowledge and understanding of your natural and social world following a systematic methodology based on evidence. We know that not only just the law thing, but science too needs all the evidences, all the systematic methodology. So yeah, that is something, the old saying of what science is. Now let us explore science in the evolution of engineering. So what do we have to do which is making science all the more interesting, which is making and craving the world to look into the dynamism of a science, isn't it? So it is what? Designing, structuring, developing, creating, and constructing. So all of these things are particularly now co-categorized into different branches of engineering, be it mechanical, be it electronics, be it computer science, be it civil engineering, be it electrical engineering. Now, these are the mother of everything. These are the basic of everything. Now, everything is blended into multidimensionality. You are not now only going to look forward only with the particular of these things, but you have to boost yourself. You have to boost the dynamism of yourself. And IIMT College of Engineering is providing you with all the multidimensionality, boosting yourself into the particular of all of things. Science is the mother of engineering. Science is something which is going to let evolve into the field of engineering, and particularly focusing myself into the latest technology, which is worldwide famous all across the world. So then What do you think will happen, isn't it? So it is something like what hypothesis or the prediction that we are going to make for that, how further progressively I am going to make this happen. The best part to evolve yourself, the best part to look out for yourself is in the field of research, in the field of research and development, because it is the domain of engineering which has evolved and structured in the following fields. Now, I'm going to let you know forward what are those following fields, which are not only if you as a student level, if I'm talking about the school students who are connected with us live on Facebook, what I'm going to tell you is that it's like you should know the basic of all these things. You should know the terms of all these things, because this is nothing but actually the basic part structure of the thing. So yes, so let us explore the first part, that's robotics. We all are like very much enthusiastic about what robotics is and how the field of robotics has took place. Actually, the robotics is not a new term. Trust me, it's not a new term. It is something which was established way before 90s. But with the field of creativity, with the field of innovationism that is involved in you, now it has evolved and developed in a very different way. Now each and means robotics is like something a mother term, but it is categorized and subdivided into very different major criterias and the particularities. Robots in the form of drones, in the form of cobots, in the form of small robots, snake robots, everything is like particularly categorized. So what robotics is? It is nothing but the design intelligent machines that will help in the ease of human life. But also, let me make yourself clear, it is not going to create any havoc in the particular type of void in the field of humanity that people are across, they're very much worried about it. If robotics is going to take place, then there would be no job for humans or something like that. Let me make yourself clear. You are the one who is creating the robots. How come they are going to replace you? So yes, you have to blend yourself in the field of robotics. The second most important is your Internet of Things. The era of internet took place into the side of your IoT. Not only in the type of the processing speed, your wireless communication, your cloud computing, your small footprinting protocols, it has deep dived itself. Your seconds are, how come your seconds are bifurcated into nanoseconds? IoT, yes, with the help of Internet of Things, you are a system of interrelated things, which computing devices, mechanical and the digital machines, which are connected with the help of Internet of Things. I am connected to you. How? You are connected to me. We are not sitting on a place together. We are live. We are together. That's the magic. That's the sparkle of Internet of Things. That is the thing that how your devices wirelessly are communicating, are connecting with each other, and we are now seeing each other in the real time. We are seeing each other live of us. You have to think of yourself. Just think, click, search, and you get a display of pages. That's it. That's it. It's that simple. And again, if people would have not thought of it, if they would have not worked on it, then would it have been possible? I would think so. Now, the third most thing is that the cobots. During this particular pandemic time, I got to learn a new word, that's cobots. And I think I'm not going to put it to myself, but I'm going to spread it out to the world that yes, forget robots. This is something collaborative robots intended for direct human interaction within a shared space wherein humans are in close proximity with the robots. Yes. Now robots are working parallel with the humans. These are cobots. That's a new term. And I think from 2020 onwards, most of the manufacturing industries and all of the IT tech sectors are having their cobots with themselves. With also, if I'm talking about the IT sector, you have the robot processing automation, RPA technology, which is being developed and designed in such a way that all of your means, who wants to do one task daily? You find it boring one time, because after all, we human beings, we are machines, but we are very complex ones, isn't it? So what is there? Develop a robot for us, develop a processing system for us, and they'll do it with for us. See, all of these things are dependent doing it for make ease of human life. That's what these cobots are. So yes, that's the new term. If you want to deep dive yourself, definitely search it on Google. So now, machine learning. Again, you all might be wondering, everywhere if you all might be seeing the advertisement, all of the companies, all of the sectors are like, machine learning, you don't know machine learning, you have to do it, because it is this something which is like particularly dealing with all of the things, because it provides the system the ability to automatically learn and improve from the experience. You all might have heard that recently what happened in the Facebook, the machine automatically learned, and it something one of the file got put it placed worldwide. People were shocked. How come they have not programmed it to be like that? They haven't thought of that the particular type of the computer or that file would be encrypted to all of the devices. That is what machine learning is. You don't have to program now. We are actually easing our life. You don't have to tip type, you don't have to type it all of the time. You have to provide the basic dynamism of it. Now the machine will learn. You are going to make it something like that. Now, for example, the second most foremost is what? Your space technology. ISRO, NASA, and the very most famous Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX. So yes, all of these things, and not to forget other countries, European space agencies to Japan space agencies. So all of these countries are working tirelessly, are working all of the time for all of these things, the space technology. So this is what the technology which is being developed by space science or aerospace engineering in the space flight or satellites or your space exploration. So this is what your space technology is. Now let me come to the another one, that is your artificial intelligence. Now, simulation of human intelligence with machines that are programmed to think and act like humans and mimic their actions. So what machine learning was and what artificial intelligence, these are both actually particularly related to each other. And I'm proud to announce you that IIMT College of Engineering is now providing BTech specifically in artificial intelligence. So this is what progressivism is. This is how you're going to look forward, how you're going to act forward towards it. So yes, coming back, now let us explore to the famous technologists who made all of these technology famous. All of these technology, they have started in their garage. They've started in their garage and now they are multi-billionaire people. Today, I am going to deep dive all of these famous few. I'm going to let you know because we don't have much time and there are so many people who are exploring science in a fun way. They took the shot. They go for they're feeling that, okay, I am going to do something creative. I'm going to make it something. Facebook, come on, we are live here on Facebook. I'm commenting. I am keeping connecting with you. Mark Zuckerberg. He took it and developed. So let us explore few of the famous technologists. The most famous, Steve Jobs, the creator, the co-founder of Apple Inc. He started out in his own garage with few people, 2 or 4 people. And today you can see that we have to wait at 4 a.m. in the line. I mean, those Apple users have to wait 4 a.m. in the line to get those Apple phone. Or Macintosh. He is the creator of Macintosh. So innovation, the best part that he believes is that innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. It's up to you, my dear students, who you want to be. Do you want to be a leader or do you want to be a follower? If you're going to be a follower, the leader will make you do the work, or the leader can be boss or a leader that you don't know. Your idea might be taken by someone else, and that idea might have exploded to the another field. So who do you want it to be? So I think you have to innovate yourself. You have to follow your path. You have to chase your dreams in order to accomplish. If that won't get succeed, at least you won't have the feeling that I did not try. It might be big, it might be small, it can be anything. So keep exploring and keep inventing. The second most famous personality and the most humble human being is Bill Gates. He's the co-founder of Microsoft. All of my word files, all of my everything, all the documents which are we write it down is by him, Bill Gates. He believes that technology is just a tool. So in terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. Okay, this is my favorite quote. That's why I put it that, because actually we are circle. We are chain of people. You students, we teachers, we are chain. We are together. If there is something, we are going to help you out. We are going to help you in your invention, in your innovation. And also Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. They have started out with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and they're working tirelessly 24/7 for the people in the field of education, in the field of everything. So yes. Then the most famous person recently is what? Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. The best part of Elon Musk is that it was his dream to reach on Mars. It was his dream, and he made that dream turn into reality. Explore your dreams, and he put that into reality. I once searched for Elon Musk, and the profile for like those people who are going to apply to SpaceX or Tesla, you know what? It was the minimum requirement. You don't have to be an MIT or Oxford engineer for that matter. All you have to do is that you have to think out of the box. If you are someone who is thinking out of the box, we are going to take you. That's what Elon Musk is. And that's what his SpaceX and Tesla is, the best of the best cars that he invented. So yes, he believes that he constantly think about how you could be doing things better. Keep questioning yourself. I think keep questioning yourself. This is the mantra for the day. My dear students, all of you who are watching me, do write it down. Keep questioning yourself. Never ever stop questioning yourself. If you have anything in doubt, if you have any question, ask it. Go for it. Albert Einstein did. We are doing it. Come on. We always question, don't you think? And if you're not going to question out yourself and how you're going to explore it, there might be something which you don't know. We all don't. We are, if Albert Einstein is using his Newton and they were using it 1% of their brain, and they are maintaining it such like this, then I think we are the ones who can simply devote ourselves 0.5% of the brain. Why can't we do that? We can. And the best part is that to explore your brain, to go out for the reality, is to question yourself. Keep this mantra with yourself throughout your life, that whatever comes in your way, do question it. How it is done, why it is done. So you are definitely going to put yourself like that. Then Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Deep down to them, because they are the founder of Google. Okay. Now, there was a time when all of the assignments, PhD thesis, master's thesis, everything was like, you have to go into the library, search for the books and everything. They founded Google. Okay, Google, done. You're done. Think. Okay, Google, type it. If you don't go to give this speech recognition, type it. You'll get 12 to more than 15 pages of the search. That's what search engine is. That's the power of search engine is. If I get a time, I'm definitely gonna let you know the exploration of search engine. I'm gonna tell you that how your page is going to be on the first page. I'll definitely will let you know one day or soon. So yes, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. So all of the people who are viewing me, your assignments are by them. Your homeworks are being done by them. Your projects are being done by them. They are the founder of them, Google. So what they believe is that there's nothing more fun than doing that work which you are like seriously involved to, which you seriously want to get into. Then if I'm talking about Google, definitely I'm gonna let know of the Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, Indian origin person who is now the world CEO of Google. And he believes that as a leader, it's important to not just see your own success, but focus on the success of others. So that's what Sundar Pichai did. He went down and he invented so many things. Proud Indian. If you're talking of proud Indianism, again, we have Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. So he too believes that our industry does not respect tradition. It only respects innovation. So you have to innovate yourself. You have to invent yourself. You have to be creative enough. All just one drop of your creativism. And that creativism, that drop of creativism should create the ripple in the world. It should be like that. Think it. You will fail once, you will fail twice, 4 times, 10 times, 100 times. There will be a one time where you will succeed. There will be a time where you will definitely be a winner. You will be the one who is going to create the ripple. Then another, my most favorite scientist, he's Stephen Hawking. He's a theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and author. And despite of all these things, he could have like simply let it away of him life. He could have simply sit it on a normal wheelchair, but he invented, his wheelchair was specifically designed like that. Whatever he is thinking, that everything is typing, because he had a problem. He did not give up. Stephen Hawking never gave up. His PhD thesis are like, now it is open. It's open. You can see it, but you won't understand it. There's that amount of knowledge that he has. But definitely you should read the words at it. At least we can have 10% if we got it now. It's more than that. Jeff Bezos, CEO and president of Amazon. Do you know that was a very small, teeny tiny room where he started off with one computer, Amazon.com, one computer in a teeny tiny room. And now Amazon is a multi-billionaire company spread across the world. That's what you have to go for it. So what will I do next? Definitely what you have to do, you have to invent, innovate, and be out of the box. So yes, join us, join IIMT group of colleges, be better, create your dreams into reality. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a simple video that what we are going to do tomorrow in the field of research and development. Stay tuned with us, because tomorrow we are going to explore in the field of research and development. So yes, ये एक छोटी सी झलक थी हमारे कल के लाइव डेमो सेशन के लिए. Do join us tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. because I'm going to let you explore the field of research and development. This is what IIMT Group of Colleges, IIMT College of Engineering is. We believe in creating your dreams into reality. We are going to let you explore. We are going to let you deep dive into the field. So yes, bring your dynamism, bring your energy. Do comment, because the best comment and will be on live on Facebook, because this is the first time ever that is gonna happen. हम on the spot जो best comment होगा, हम उसको on the spot we are going to call them, contact them, and we are going to let them live on Facebook for the first time ever. Also, on the 4th of July, we will be announcing the result itself. So Google Forms are open. Yes, we have increased the deadline. Tomorrow, 12 p.m., Google Forms are open. Keep submitting the Google Form with your dreams, your aspirations. Keep coming, and all the best. Take care, my dear students. Keep questioning yourself. The mantra for the day. Do join us tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. on Facebook. Take care. Thank you.